Hi, welcome back friends, this is Mohammad Faizan, and now in this video we are going to download Xampp server and we will install in our machine. As we know, we are learning or we are working with PHP. PHP is a server side script, that's why we need a server. So that's why we are going to download a Xampp server for creating our machine as a server. So if when we work with PHP or any other server side scripts, we need a server. So that's why we are going to download Xampp server. So first let's open Google. I already opened my Google, and on the Google I can search Xampp. Okay, and here is the official website apachefriends.org for Xampp server. Let's open this, and here you can see about the Xampp server. You can read about it from here, and you can see here Xampp is a completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP and Perl. The Xampp open source package has been set up to be incredibly easy to install and to use. So here we have three options. You can see here Xampp for Windows, Xampp for Linux and Xampp for macOS. Okay, if you are using Windows, you can download it from here. If you are using Linux, you can download Xampp server from this button, and if you are using or you are Mac user, you can download Xampp server from here. So don't be confused, it is very easy. I'm using Windows 11, so I'm going to download from this button. Let's click on this button and it will start downloading automatically. So our Xampp server for Windows is successfully downloaded in our computer. Now let's go and install it in computer and open the file location folder where it is installed. It is where it is download. So it is download in the download folder. Let's copy. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this setup on my desktop. Okay, so it is easy for your understanding. In previous video we have downloaded and see the overview of admin LT dashboard. Now in this video we have downloaded it Xampp server, and now we are going to install it in our computer. And now double click on the setup, and do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So click on yes. So don't worry, click on continue with installation and click OK and click on next. Again click on next, and here you can change the directory where you want to install this Xampp server. I am going to install this Xampp server in C drive, and here you can see it's create a Xampp folder which name is Xampp. Okay, so now click on next. You can select the language English from here and click on next again. Now it is installing. So the setup has finished installing Xampp on your computer. So click on finish, and after click on finish button, it will open a window for us. So you can see here we have Apache server and MySQL database. So here we need these two options for start. We need to start this Apache server, and we will need to start MySQL database for creating our application. Okay, so cut this from where you can open this window. Simply go to search and search Xampp, and you can see here the folder which name is Xampp control panel. You can open it from here and click on this option and you will see this window. Okay, and you can stop the services from here. Okay, every time when we work with PHP and MySQL, it is compulsory to start the Apache server and MySQL. So let's minimize this and open our browser, and from the browser we can open the local host and PHP myadmin. Okay, from here, from this URL, we can open the database, means MySQL database. You can see here localhost and PHP myadmin. So from here we can create our own new database. From here we will create our database for our application in further videos. I am just showing to you for understanding how can we open the database from our browser using of the URL. This URL, from this URL localhost PHP myadmin, you can open the database. Okay, if we open simply localhost only, so what we'll see, we can see here this, this options. Okay, and we can go directly PHP myadmin from here, and PHP info you can read how to guides, and you can read about the applications from here. Okay, and it is opening dashboard. And one thing more I want to tell you in this video, from where we placed or from where we are going to create our project folder. So our project folder we will create in C directory. So let's open this PC, and inside this PC you can see here this is the C, and inside the C drive you can see here the Xampp folder. Inside the Xampp folder we need to go in htdocs, and inside the htdocs we can create our project folder. Okay, so don't be confused. We will create our project folder in next video, and we will create our database also in the next videos. So this is the overview of Xampp server. I hope you got this. If you have any problem, you can ask me the question. So see you in next video.